Ciao and welcome to Italy to Love. We're here to share the beauty, culture, and hidden treasures of Italy with you. Hit subscribe and let's explore Italy together. Forget the guidebooks for a moment. Imagine biting into a crispy supply, savoring authentic carbonara, or sipping wine in a hidden piazza. Rome's true magic isn't just seen, it's tasted. Rome is more than ancient ruins, it's a vibrant tapestry woven with centuries of culinary tradition. Food tours offer a unique window into the city's soul, connecting you with local culture. You'll discover family recipes and authentic flavors, far from tourist traps. This isn't just about eating, it's about understanding Rome's beating heart. Experience the passion Romans have for their food, passed down through generations. A food tour transforms your visit into an unforgettable journey. Picture golden hour light illuminating ancient alleys, the scent of fresh pasta filling the air. The Trastevere evening food tour takes you to where Romans truly dined. It's a magical journey through one of Rome's most authentic neighborhoods. Savor crispy supply and perfectly made carbonara, free from cream. Explore narrow streets, tasting pizza al taglio and artisan gelato. This tour offers a comprehensive taste of Roman culture, making you feel like a local. For a truly local experience, dive into the Testaccio Market Food Tour. This working-class neighborhood is a sensory explosion of sights, sounds, and incredible flavors. It's where Romans shop and eat daily. Taste trapezzino, fresh ricotta, and mortadella sliced paper-thin. Learn the stories behind Roman cuisine, including quinto quarto dishes. This tour reveals how simple ingredients become extraordinary, showcasing Rome's culinary resilience. Want to bring Rome home with you? A pasta-making class plus market tour is an education in flavor. Start at a local market, learning to select the freshest ingredients like a true Roman. Then, roll up your sleeves and craft pasta from scratch in a hands-on class. You'll learn techniques passed down for centuries, then enjoy your delicious creations with wine. It's an immersive experience that builds lasting memories. Come hungry seriously. These tours offer generous tastings, often full portions. Wear comfortable shoes, as you'll be walking Rome's charming cobblestone streets. Book your tour early, especially during peak season, as the best ones fill up fast. Consider taking a tour at the start of your trip. Your guide will offer invaluable local recommendations for the rest of your stay. Ready to move beyond the postcards and truly experience Rome? A food tour is your passport to authentic flavors, hidden gems, and unforgettable stories. It's more than a meal, it's a cultural immersion. Don't just visit Rome, taste it. Book your Roman food adventure today, and let your taste buds lead the way. Your journey to the heart of Italy starts with a single, delicious bite. Buon appetito!